In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to Photoshop someone into a picture so it looks natural and realistic, even if you're a complete beginner. This is one of the most useful skills you can learn in Photoshop, whether you're creating thumbnails, social media edits, or just having fun with images. I'll walk you through everything step by step, from cutting out your subject to blending them perfectly into a new background. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple Photoshop tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, we're going to cut out the person from their original image. Go ahead and open your person image inside Photoshop. Once it's loaded, head up to the top menu and click on Select, then choose Subject. Photoshop will automatically detect and select the main subject in your image. This is a huge time saver compared to manual selections. After that, click on Select and Mask in the top toolbar. This opens up a workspace where you can refine your selection. Use the Refine Edge brush to clean up tricky areas like hair and edges. Take your time here because the better your selection, the more realistic your final result will look. Once you're happy, go to the output settings and choose Layers Mask, then click OK. Now your subject is cleanly cut out. Next, let's move the person into the background image. Open your background image in Photoshop. Then simply drag the cut out person layer into this new document. You should now see your subject placed on top of the background. To adjust the size and position, press Ctrl and T on your keyboard to activate Free Transform. Resize the person so they match the perspective of the scene and position them where you want them to stand. Getting the scale right is really important for realism, so make sure the proportions look natural compared to the environment. Now let's match the colors so everything blends together. Select the person layer, then go up to Image, Adjustments, and click on Match Color. In the dialog box, choose your background layer as the source. This tells Photoshop to match the lighting and color tones of the background. You can fine-tune the sliders if needed, but in most cases, this step alone makes a big difference in realism. After that, we're going to add a shadow to ground the subject. Create a new layer and place it underneath the person layer. Select a soft round brush, set the color to black, and gently paint a shadow under the person's feet. Keep it subtle. Then lower the opacity of that layer to around 30% so it blends naturally with the scene. This small step adds a lot of depth and makes the edit look far more believable. And just like that, you've successfully photoshopped someone into a picture. With the right selection, proper scaling, color matching, and a simple shadow, your edits can look incredibly realistic. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more easy Photoshop guides just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.